This is John Bates with Executive Speaking Success. And Dove Barron is conscious leadership development because Dove Barron has been through unconscious leadership development in his life. And he is one of those unique individuals who can take lemons and make them into not only lemonade for himself, but lemonade now for the entire planet. Dove Barron is someone that I respect very much. He has been through a lot of things in his life. He has given a lot, but he has also suffered some things, fell down 4 mountains. It was the 4th one that finally taught him the lesson. And his insights and his understanding of everything from the neurobiology of leadership to how it looks playing out on the court is something that can make an enormous difference for you.